full generator install. I'm going down to the Edgewater office, meet with the rest of the guys. We'll load up a generator, transfer switch, gas pipe, wire, everything else we need. Head out to New Smyrna Beach, see if we can get this install done in one full day. Typical install can run 4 to 8 hours, depending on how close the meter is for the gas and how close the meter is for the electrical. This place is always fun, 8 o'clock in the morning. All our guys are trying to get in the door. New customer has had a pool heater installed and would like me to run a gas line. I have given her a price. She has accepted it and paid for the permit. I'll film this one. She also gave me permission to film away. We'll schedule this one up next week or two. Right now I'm running 2 weeks out on any installs. Unless it's an emergency, then we make it happen. We didn't put the generator in. That's the most interesting stand I think I've ever seen. She's also going to buy a service agreement as soon as I'm done with gas pipe to service all 3 of these annually. More video to follow. Right, what we have here is an on-demand that was installed in October 2019. I'm going to troubleshoot it and figure out why this thing's got a flow issue to its home. There was a gas heater in the garage. They pulled it out, routed the tubes out here, tied into the gas meter over there. A little sloppy, but I didn't do it. Old generator. Nice mini split. No obstruction in the valves. Okay. Managed to fix it. The input valve was showing a false open. The toggle appeared to be an open, but the actual ball part of the valve had a quarter of the port closed off. I just cut the valves out, examined them, got them to function well, and put them right back on. This thing was blowing water across the yard to the neighbor's house, and he says the water pressure issue has been resolved. Never hurts to start with the simple stuff first. Okay. Glad we didn't do that. Or this. What we have is a dead on the wall water heater manufactured in '04. I'm gonna give Renee a call, see if I can even get a circuit board for it. I tried all my little tricks. Plenty of gas. I'll go in here and give her the bad news and see if she wants to install a new one. Okay, this is a place that I've shot previous videos of. One of the first videos was the gas pipe walkthrough. Well, it's done. Now it's time for me to hook it all up. So I run a piece of pipe over to the meter, tie that in. I'm gonna add a regulator here, trim down the gas line, hook up the generator. This is where that trencher was shown in the video recently. And there, we'll go ahead and install the regulator. The gas company's coming to turn it on tomorrow. And we will be able to remove the electric water heater and put in this job. We're going to use a Norris and run 2-inch plastic vent off the top of it, since the water heater is located in the interior of the laundry room. We're going to keep it there. It backs right up to the master bath, and he likes instant water. All piped up. Generator Joe will be here tomorrow to start it up. Florida Public's coming tomorrow to unlock it and turn it on. The water heater is installed. Good old slab on grade plumbing. We tried to straighten it up a little bit. You go pulling on that old copper, you might be looking for a lot more trouble than it's worth. Little Norris on-demand gas. There you go. Today we have something totally different from a usual service call. But part of the plumbing trade, as well as the mechanical trade, as well as all of us, we're heading to pull permits. Quite a list. I just counted it. There's 11. Most mechanical, a couple electrical, a couple gas. Anyway, I'll drive around a little bit and finally figure out which office or which door I should go to. Since they've gone back to normal, not the COVID drop box. which in my opinion was a whole lot easier. Another little water heater installed. Naturally, it's the end of the day Friday, and I got another one to go to. The copper coming out the wall wasn't too great of a shape, so I threw a couple of compression adapters on there and tubed it up thick. Pecs. This home will eventually make it to the repipe list.